Hi there, I'm Claudia Friedlander. Welcome to my virtual voice studio. If you're looking for a voice teacher who deeply understands vocal anatomy and how to help you master singing technique, you've come to the right place. I've dedicated my career to developing a comprehensive method to help singers optimize their vocal anatomy, alleviate excess tensions, and develop the coordination that you need to be able to do anything you might want to with your voice, with minimum effort and maximum enjoyment. Singing is movement. All of the skills that a singer needs can be broken down into movement patterns that can be trained and habituated. Sometimes singers think that certain skills are just outside their grasp, that there's a long phrase that they can't get through, or a high note that they can't perform with the resonance that they want, or coloratura that they can't perform skillfully. They may think that this is because they just don't have the aptitude to do it well, or that their instrument is inherently limited in some way. Well, the good news is that this is not true. All of the things that you need to be able to do as a singer can be broken down into these movement patterns, and once you understand what the movements are involved and how to practice them, you can achieve anything you want to with your technique. Some of the skills you need to develop as a singer may come more naturally to you than others, but all of them can be learned. The components of vocal technique should include accessing your full range as appropriate for your voice type, the ability to produce a focused, consistent sound throughout your range, the ability to create balanced resonance on all vowels throughout your range, the ability to sing with organic vibrancy, to sing with accurate intonation. Mastering singing technique also means the ability to access a reasonable spectrum of dynamics throughout your range, the ability to sing with a consistent legato, the ability to execute scales, arpeggios, and portamenti at a variety of tempos, the ability to seamlessly navigate your registration, and adequate stamina to sustain your long phrases. When you focus directly on the sound that you want to produce or the skill that you're trying to execute, sometimes you can just tie yourself up in knots trying to figure it out. However, once you understand that the skills that you're trying to build break down into movement patterns, and you understand what those movement patterns are and how practicing them is going to lead to the results that you want, everything gets easier. I want to give you confidence that you're going to be able to achieve the results that you want by giving you the means to pursue them, and a way to track your progress so that you can see that you're going to get the results that you desire. So if over the years you found that some aspects of technique are elusive for you, or you just want to be able to sing more consistently and with greater ease, or even if you've just always wanted to learn how to sing but were told at one point that you didn't have the aptitude, come see me for a lesson. All levels of experience and styles of music are welcome in my studio. I'll help diagnose where your movement patterns could be more efficient and set you up with a practice regimen that will help you to realize your goals.